Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today I share how to make banana bread. You guys, this is not your regular banana bread. This recipe right here is super delicious. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and don't forget to like and leave me a comment. Thank you, and let's start cooking. To make this recipe, you need overripe bananas. As you can see, I've got 3 overripe bananas. Next, I'll peel and mash. If you don't like chunks of banana in your banana bread, you can blend it. Next, I'll add 1 teaspoon of lemon. It helps to prevent it from changing color. Once that is done, I will set it aside for later use. Next, I will sieve all my dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon powder. It's good to sieve all your dry ingredients to avoid lumps or sands. Please feel free to check the measurements in the description box. I will proceed by combining my wet ingredients. In my bowl, I will crack in 2 eggs, melted butter, vanilla extract, and milk. I will give it a good mix. Next, I will add in my mashed bananas. I will mix to combine and set it aside. Next, I will combine the wet and the dry ingredients together. I will give it a good mix, making sure that everything is well combined. Okay guys, I will be adding walnuts and chocolate chips. If you want to keep it simple, please skip this. But trust me, the walnuts and the chocolate chips will take it to another level. I'm cutting the walnuts into small pieces. Next, I will transfer it in my batter and mix everything properly. Once that is done, next I will transfer it in my baking pan. I've already coated the baking pan with some melted butter. You guys, I like to be extra, so I'm going to top it up with more walnuts and chocolate chips. Next, I will transfer it in my preheated oven and bake for 50 to 55 minutes or until it is done. If you have watched till this point, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I hope you find happiness in watching today's video. For me, I find happiness in every dish. Thank you, and always be positive. And see you in our next video. Bye guys.